और कपाती सी टीवी
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri. Kidi ki top medical colleges but ru ha kador babiang.
का उम्दी बशnyam bat pinjas liang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
National People's Party kalapun kre yaladi ban aireng hak election ke ban salong sha Garu Hills Autonomous District Council hakaba unong yalam jangka party u Rakkam e Sangma u balong ru menteri ka sorka jilla ulapun pau ya ka jing ngos kham ba ka NPP kandang yo ya ka jing job ban Synshar Biang ha ka jing kran mikla pathai khubor ha ka Southrik unai tung aja pesan u Rakkam ulaong ba ka NPP kanang Durut bat ban Treshitam ban yo ya ka jingbun pat wala ka liang persya kalapan kre banya kun persya ya ka NPP.
However, as a small party man, I can talk a little bit because we are on the ground and we know the playground of our politics. So we are on the ground, we are already so very much on the field. So like yes. Politics is always a dynamics and we expect a different outcome, a different preparation for altogether. It's not easy for anybody. It's not easy for everybody. Anybody for everybody. Yeah. So we are, but definitely NPP as a party, we are on the job and we will be working hard and we are not taking any chances and we are not taking any easy, but we will be working hard. Very much everybody. No, we have only 29 seat. More than 100 candidates want to contest from MPP. But that means you are saying the ulta one. Huh? Many are coming. Suppose in one of my area, in under my constituency, there are 5-6 candidates who want to contest from NPP. But your story is completely different. I think that is not wrong. I mean that is not correct, looks like, because I don't know. There may be some candidate, there may be some setting NBC who may be, who may not be. I don't know. I don't have information of all this. Look, as a state government, as an NPP, we have been given the mandate to run the state government. We have proven it, and we have transformed in many sectors. Look at the road communication. Look at the health, look at the education, look at the sports, look at all different sectors, look be it agriculture, in all sectors. We have transformed to a certain extent. I'm not saying we're all done, no. There's always room for improvement. But look, we have proven to the people of the state, and especially on also the people of the Ghadc, we have done it. Look, the beautiful road, the beautiful playgrounds, the many college, look, be it school buildings, look, we have established all the streams in education sector. If you talk about, we have established all the streams in all the government schools. We have upgraded. We have given a good college building. We have given it a good road. There are many that the people assess, measure the performance of the government. Then definitely yes. Forget about like-minded. Forget about coming to the coalition. NPP will work very, very hard to get the more than absolute majority in the Ghadc council. We are our Honorable Chief Minister working from sunrise to the moonset to connect with the people, and if the people of the ground which connect with the people all the time. So looks like people are happy today. So we have seen the progress of the state overall, right, in all respects. So this will be the agenda for the party, for the government, right? Yes, of course, there's a challenge for everybody. It is not correctly. Look, recently there was a huge margin MP election won by the Congress in Ghadc, right? But within a month's time, we had a by-election in Gambegiri, but the result is overturned, right? So from election to election, it's always changed. But however, winning a district council, definitely it's indicate to a certain extent that we can say.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises, Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.